There were 2 new cases of COVID-19 in the province today as the far north and Saskatchewan continue to be hotspots. Both regions picked up a new case to add to their active caseload of 8 cases each. The 2 regions make up 76% of the province's active total of 21. Last Sunday, there were only 16 active cases. The virus is reluctant to disappear in Saskatchewan, but the government is pressing forward with the next phase of reopening.
I think all of us can try to achieve as much as we can so that as we open up and enjoy more social interactions, more recreational interactions, as well as obviously reopening the economy, we do want to keep the risk as low as it is currently for as long as we can. And really enjoy the summer.
Next week, the provincial government and the Saskatchewan Health Authority will announce the date for which certain activities can resume operations. The first part of Phase 4 will include child and youth day camps, outdoor pools, and sports. Team sports will be allowed, but no tournaments, interprovincial travel, or handshakes. Places of worship will have their capacity increased to 1/3 or a maximum of 150 people.
Certainly, they've been hearing from their constituents about the need for them to express their religious faith through ceremony, and that was causing some difficulty for a number of their parishioners, a number of the people within their parishes, or mosques, and so that's really where the conversation generated from. And as a result of those conversations, the limits have been changed.
The chief medical health officer says the same physical distancing rules will apply because COVID-19 is not going away anytime soon.
We are going back to larger and larger events, but we don't want to go back to what we saw in March. We want to go forward in a way that we can minimize the risk of transmission happening.
Phase 4 will roll out in parts. The second part of the phase at a later date will include indoor pools, rinks, libraries, museums, movie theaters, casinos, and bingo halls. Glenn Reed, CBC News, Regina.